Why does the U.S. Air Force reign supreme in 2025, leaving Russia and China in its jet stream? With over 5,000 aircraft, more than Russia's 3,600 and China's 2,000 combined. The USAF's F-22 Raptors outmaneuver Su-57s, B-2 Spirits outstealth J-20s, and MQ-9 drones redefine precision strikes. Its $179.7 billion budget fuels unmatched tech, from AI-powered drones to sixth-gen fighters, while Russia struggles with sanctions and China lags in engine design. This is the ultimate air power showdown. In 2025, the USAF operates 5,004 aircraft across fighters, bombers, tankers, transports, helicopters, and special mission platforms with a $179.7 billion budget. From air supremacy to global strike, their missions include rapid mobility, ISR, and nuclear deterrence. The World Directory ranks the USAF's true value rating at 242.9. Nearly double Russia's 114.2, thanks to diverse missions. Let's break it down by category. The USAF's 1,295 fighters are the backbone of air dominance. The F-35 Lightning II, with over 400 units, is a fifth-gen stealth multi-role jet, boasting Mach 1.6, advanced sensors, and a 9G-capable airframe. The F-22 Raptor, with 186 units, remains unmatched in air superiority, hitting Mach 2.25, but faces retirement by 2030 due to high costs. The F-15EX Eagle II, with 20 units in 2025, delivers 29,000 pounds of payload and Mach 2.5 speed, replacing older F-15CDs. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, with approximately 600 units, is a versatile fourth-generation workhorse. Though many are trainers, these jets ensure offensive and defensive counter-air supremacy. The USAF's 114 bombers deliver global strike. The B-52 Stratofortress, with 76 units, is a 70-year-old icon carrying 70,000 pounds of bombs and missiles over 8,800 miles, with new engines planned for 2030. The B-2 Spirit, with 20 stealth units, penetrates defenses to drop 40,000 pounds, including nuclear payloads. The B-1B Lancer, with 18 units, hits Mach 1.2, but faces retirement due to age. The B-21 Raider, still in development, promises stealth and long range for 2027's initial operational capability, with 100 planned. These bombers deter adversaries and project power worldwide. Tankers extend USAF's reach, with 223 in 2025. The KC-135 Stratotanker, with approximately 300 units, is the world's most common tanker, refueling at 650 miles per hour over 1,500 miles. The KC-46 Pegasus, with 101 units, uses a Boeing 767-based platform carrying 212,000 pounds of fuel and advanced avionics. The older KC-10 extender, with approximately 20 units, is retiring by 2026 due to age. These tankers enable global mobility, supporting fighters and bombers in theaters like the Pacific, where range is critical against threats like China. The USAF's 982 transports ensure rapid mobility. The C-17 Globemaster III, with 222 units, hauls 170,900 pounds over 2,400 miles, vital for humanitarian and combat ops. The C-130J Super Hercules, with approximately 130 units, carries 42,000 pounds and lands on short runways, with 1,200-plus variants globally. The C-5M Super Galaxy, with 52 units, lifts 285,000 pounds, moving tanks and helicopters over 5,500 miles. Smaller transports like the C-21A and C-12 Huron support VIP and light cargo missions. These airlifters deliver anywhere, anytime. The USAF operates approximately 100 helicopters for specialized roles. The HH-60G Pave Hawk, with approximately 50 units, conducts combat search and rescue, carrying 12 troops and hitting 184 miles per hour. The MH-139A Grey Wolf, replacing UH-1N Hueys, secures ICBM fields and supports VIP transport, with 84 planned by 2030. The UH-1N Huey, with approximately 40 units, is phasing out but still trains aircrews and guards bases. These rotary wing assets are niche but critical for recovery and security missions, complementing fixed-wing dominance. Special mission aircraft numbering 744 handle ISR, EW, and more. The E-3 Sentry AWACS, with 31 units, coordinates air battles with 360-degree radar, though it's retiring for E-7 Wedgetails by 2032. The RC-135 Rivet Joint, with approximately 20 units, intercepts signals for intelligence. The AC-130J Ghost Rider, with 37 units, delivers close air support with 105mm cannons. The EC-130H Compass Call jams enemy comms, and the U-2 Dragon Lady, with approximately 30 units, spies at 70,000 feet, though it's nearing retirement. These platforms give USAF unmatched situational awareness. The USAF's 2,660 trainers prepare pilots for combat. The T-38 Talon, with 563 units, trains fighter pilots at Mach 1.3, but is being replaced by the T-7A Red Hawk by 2030. The T-6 Texan II, with UL 450 units, is the primary trainer, a turboprop hitting 320 miles per hour. Over 600 F-16s serve as advanced trainers, leveraging their combat prowess. The T-1A Jayhawk trains tanker and transport crews. These aircraft ensure the USAF's 321,848 airmen are ready for any mission. The USAF's approximately 300 MQ-9 Reaper drones deliver ISR and strikes, carrying 3,800 pounds of Hellfires and bombs over 1,150 miles. In 2025, the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program introduces AI-powered drones like the YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A, with 150 planned by 2030 to fly alongside the F-47 6th-gen fighter. The F-47, unveiled in 2025, promises stealth and unprecedented power. Per President Trump, these platforms signal a shift to human-machine teaming, revolutionizing air combat.